I cannot identify a paradigm-shifting set of ideas more profound, more fundamental, more sweeping in their implications than the electric universe paradigm. But everyone in our group recognizes that there is a wall that is almost impossible to penetrate.
I suddenly realized that to get any further, I had to discard Einstein's way of looking at things.
People take the dogmas of science to be a kind of religious belief system or quasi-religious belief system. And it's this dogmatic belief system which I think is now constricting and holding science back in a very serious way.
Peer review doesn't work. It only works to protect the status quo, the settled science.
A earth-shaking revolution in human thought is coming.